memorial of the Amar Jawan, where in a while from now the Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh will arrive and lead the nation in paying homage to the unknown soldier. The Inter-Services Guard of Honor, and in command we have Wing Commander Kunal Khanna. And meanwhile, on the walls of India Gate, inscriptions and etchings of the surfaces of the great monument, a record in stone of the history of those who died in battle, defending and fighting for the country's honor and dignity. Names engraved for eternity, immortalized in stone. This is the north of India Gate, where an Inter-Services Guard of Honor will salute each dignitary as they arrive here.
भारतीय सेना के जवान हमेशा अपनी शूरवीरता, पराक्रम, अदम्य साहस और कर्तव्य परायणता के लिए मशहूर रहे हैं। जब मैदानी इलाकों में ठंडी हवाएं कभी-कभी पैदा करती हैं, तब बर्फ से ढकी चोटियों पर जहां खून जमा देने वाली ठंड पड़ती है, वहां हमारे वीर सैनिक मुस्तैद रहते हैं। झुलसाने वाली गर्मी जब आग बनकर आसमान से बरसती है, तब भी तेज धूप की परवाह किए बिना ये सैनिक देश की रक्षा में तत्पर रहते हैं। बरसात या बाढ़ का खतरा हो या कोई प्राकृतिक आपदा, सेना की मौजूदगी ही जन जन में भरोसे का प्रतीक बन जाती है। रक्षा राज्य मंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह का आगमन हमारे सैनिकों की बहादुरी की मिसाल ऐसी कमाल है जो इन्हें दुनिया भर से अलग करती है। कभी दुश्मन को रोकने के लिए हथगोले शरीर से बांधकर टैंक के आगे लेट गए, तो कभी बड़े से बड़े मुकाबले में अकेले रह जाने पर भी दुश्मन के दांत खट्टे कर दिए। एक दो नहीं, असंख्य वीरता और शौर्य की अमर कहानियां फिजाओं में हैं और उनकी गूंज यहां रोम रोम महसूस करता है। अमर जवान राष्ट्रभक्ति और बलिदान का जगमगाता प्रतीक है।
The Raksha Mantri, Mr. A.K. Antony, has arrived here at India Gate. He's being greeted by the three service chiefs. Meanwhile, the men stand stoic and tall, a deportment that is so unique to every soldier, sailor, and air warrior. The Raksha Mantri meeting with the three service chiefs. Our soldiers always prepared for the supreme sacrifice, and today remembering their comrades who died in the line of duty. Squadron leader V. Soumya commands the Air Force contingent. The naval contingent is under Lieutenant Surbhi Gandhi, and the army contingent under the command of Major Abhishek Shinde. Buglers also standing by to play the last post and rouse, pieces of music that have over the centuries become inextricably linked to military services of remembrance. The square cenotaph under the arch of India Gate. Today, the black marble covered completely with a cascade of flowers, an offering to our valiant fallen heroes whom the entire nation loves and remembers for their supreme sacrifices. Sacred and pure, like the spirits of our martyrs, flames encapsulated in polished brass, brilliant, illuminating and divine. The reversed rifle and helmet, a stirring symbol of heroic valor and the ultimate sacrifice. When the Prime Minister reaches here, the Inter-Services Guard will salute. After the wreath is laid, we hear the crisp word of command for the reversal of arms Shokshastra. And this is a view from our camera on top of India Gate. And these gleaming black cars are all part of the Prime Minister's motorcade, the beautiful vista of Rajpath and the vehicles now drawing closer to India Gate. Mr. A.K. Antony, Raksha Mantri, waiting for Dr. Manmohan Singh now to arrive here. The Raksha Rajya Mantri, Defense Secretary and the service chiefs already here too. General Bikram Singh, Admiral D.K. Joshi, and Air Chief Marshal Arup Raha. The Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, being received by Raksha Mantri, Mr. A.K. Antony, now escorted by the wreath bearers in a slow march. The wreath, symbolic of the circle of eternal life and representing the victory of the eternal spirit over death. Flowers symbolic of life and resurrection, and leaves evergreen and eternal. Dr. Manmohan Singh leads the nation in homage to the Amar Jawan as the country pauses, prays, and reflects with gratitude. The last post, and then the sound of silence. the deep silence and stillness broken by the rouse, which symbolizes an awakening in a better world for those who passed on and also rouses the living back to duty.